All right, it's Big C with another box break. It is March 21st, 8:05. We're here with the Rookies and Stars break. And this is the Rookies and Stars that ended on the 20th. So here we go with the sign-up sheet. There was maybe four teams that didn't sell, 5 teams, something like that. The Seahawks would be one of them. The Chargers did not sell. The Titans did not sell. The Bucks did not sell. So there you have it, and here we go with the Rookies and Stars. 4 hits per box. With this, have the checklist. Here's one time, and then here's the other one in the empty box. Again, just a reminder, we are scheduled for the case break. Anybody that got the totally certified case break, that will be taking place on Friday as scheduled. Actually, the distributor actually has it today, and they will mail it out today, so we get it on Friday. So, if you got payments on that still, just a reminder to get those in before then. See, we got the Marco Murray Studio Rookies, and that's not numbered. There we go. Evan Royster, Deshaun Jackson, and Matt Hasselbeck. And I will be having a case break, another case break of the totally certified listed, and I'll probably do that tonight. And also, I think I'm going to go ahead and do a National Treasures case break also. So, and also, I think there's a new product, Panini, I believe it's Signatures. I believe it's an inner case, so it's a 10-box case that I'll also be listing here in the next few days. And here's our first hit, I believe. Austin Collie, Jimmy Clausen, Michael Turner, Joseph Aldai, Steve Smith, Cam Newton, Dress for Success jersey out of $2.99. And the Panthers are Wow Batman. Got that one. That's pretty nice. Justin Houston, Steve Smith, and LeGarrette Blount. Let's see, Deion Branch, the new Jet Team Tebow, Wes Welker, Calvin Johnson, Decoy, TJ Yates, Sean Green, and Michael Crabtree. I believe there is 4 hits per box on this. Donald Driver, Ray Rice. We have an AJ Green Revolution. Then we have Ryan Train and Chris Johnson. Let's see, Sidney Rice. These are all just base cards. And again, on the shipping, if anybody wants to take advantage of the unlimited shipping, it is $1.99. Just email me and let me know that you want to do that, and I'll hold everything and ship it all at once. That goes from Sunday or Monday to Sunday. If I don't hear any requests or anything like that, I just assume that you just want your stuff shipped right away and don't mind paying the extra shipping. So, I'm all black for the Buccaneers, 70 out of 99. That goes to the box, which is actually me. Nobody got the box. Ben Roethlisberger and Sam Bradford. So again, 4 hits per box. We do have one so far with the Cam Newton jersey. Jordy Nelson, C.J. Spiller, Mike Thomas, MJD, Johnny Knox, Decoy, Justin Thomas, Rashawn Mendenhall, and Josh Freeman. Pick one. I don't know if it's a DM. I think it's a Decoy. Green Foster. Like I say, all these are base. Decoy. Nate Solder, Zach Miller, Marshawn Lynch. Base. Danny Woodhead. Tom Brady. Wow, that is sweet. AJ Green patch goes to Wow Batman. That's actually number 2 out 112, I believe, out of 299. So nice hit for Wow Batman. Huh. Good hit. That's just my luck. I buy box breaks. I'm a huge Bengals fan, and I pull more Bengals autographs than anything else. AJ Green, Andy Dalton's. Can never, and I've bought 15 box breaks and can't get anything. Didn't get anything for the Bengals, but I can pull them for everybody. Here is a dual Christian Ponder, Kyle Rudolph, rookie studios for the Vikings. That's Fly Man Fly out of 299. So yeah, I have no luck buying the Bengals, but I can certainly pull them for everybody else. So nice hit, Wild Batman. See Eddie Royal, Larry Fitzgerald, Brian Cushing. These are all base. Marcus Colston's actually out of 99 for the Saints. That's Wild Batman also. Those are all just base. Base. These are all Pierre Thomas out of 249. Cadillac and Jerry Macklin. All base. Let me get another stack of these over there. Let's see. Base. Mike Williams, Seahawks out of 249, and the Seahawks are actually me. Ryan Matthews. So we've got 3 hits, so we're due for one more. Base. Decoy, base. Mike Williams and Darren McFadden. Let's see, that's Schwab. Brandon Marshall, Dallas Clark, Jonathan Stewart. Oh, actually there is a card there. That's base, or Decoy. Base. Studio rookies Chargers, Jordan Tonman and Vincent Brown. Actually out of 500. And that's for the Chargers. And that would be me. And then we got the Chargers. Base. Josh Cribbs, Leonard Hankerson out of 500 for the Redskins. Mike Pouncey, Kevin Winslow Jr., and Michael Vick. Still looking for one more hit. So we've got an auto AJ Green, a Cam Newton jersey. So let's see what this last one could be. Who we missing? Maybe let's go with Mark Ingram. Who knows? Just guessing. Cedric Benson, Lance Moore. These are all just base. Looks like 4 more packs counting this one. Joe Webb, Brandon Lloyd, Peyton Manning, Brian Urlacher, Ronnie Brown, Decoy, Corey Legit, Gates, and Williams. Let's see, Ben Jarvis, now a Bengal. So, and Gabbard, base, oh, base, rookie for the Raiders, base. All right, 2 more packs, 1 more hit. This looks like it might be it. So let's see who we got. Fitzpatrick, Matt Castle, Dez Bryant, Pierre Thomas, and actually a really nice patch for the Jets, and that's JT 7190 out of 99, but a Santana Holmes patch. So that was pretty nice. Hines Ward and Steven Jackson. Last pack. It's got like a line down the middle. I don't know if you can see that, or maybe it doesn't. Maybe it's just, I don't know. I thought I saw a line. Cardinals, base. Dwayne Harris, base. Chris Cooling, and Phillip Rivers. Alrighty, that should do it, guys. Again, thanks for joining the break. Keep checking them out, Big C 2014, for more breaks. And nice hit on the AJ Green autograph patch there, Wild Pat Man. So, again, keep checking them out, Big C 2014. Thanks, guys.